Ugh, I really, really hate Mondays.
Whoa, whoa, take it easy.
What, too much?
In English, hate is a big word. Save it for the real stuff.
Wait, so what do I say instead?
Come sit with us. We've got a list.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Okay, so I hate Mondays. I hate traffic. I hate my alarm clock.
Wow.
What?
Sophia, you sound like a supervillain.
Oh my God, do I?
A little, yeah. Let's fix that. Let's start with the good stuff. When you really, really like something, you say, I love it.
Easy. I love coffee.
Perfect. Now, if you want it stronger,
Stronger than love?
I'm obsessed with it.
I'm obsessed with coffee. Ooh, that feels right.
It is. You drink 3 cups before noon.
Hey, that's research.
Sure it is. You can also say, I'm a huge fan of, or I can't get enough of.
I can't get enough of cheese. Like, please help me.
Honestly, same. Cape Cod cheddar is dangerous.
Okay, but what if I just kinda like something? Not obsessed, just nice.
Then you say, I like it, or I'm into it.
I'm into long walks on the beach.
Are you reading me a dating profile?
Maybe.
You can also say, I'm a fan of, or it's right up my alley.
Right up my alley. That's weird.
It means it suits you perfectly. Like mystery novels are right up my alley.
Oh, audiobooks are right up my alley. I listen at like 1.5 speed.
That is wild, but fair.
What about the middle? Things you don't love, but you don't hate.
Good question. We say it's okay, it's fine, or I don't mind it.
I don't mind oat milk.
See, that's neutral. Not a compliment, not an insult.
It's a vibe.
Exactly. You can also say it's not bad.
Oh, that one's tricky. It's not bad sounds positive, but it's like, meh?
Yep. If you say a pizza is not bad, the chef is gonna be a little hurt.
Ouch.
Now down the list. When you don't love something, but you wanna be polite, you say, it's not my thing.
Country music is not my thing.
Wow, in America? Bold.
Sorry, I tried. I really did.
Okay, you can also say, I'm not really into it, or I'm not a fan.
I'm not really into horror movies. They scare me for a week.
Okay. Or you can say, it's not for me.
Oh, gentle. I like it. Snowboarding, not for me.
What, you don't want to break a wrist on vacation?
Weirdly, no. Okay, but sometimes I really do feel it, like deep down.
Then we go up to, I can't stand. That's strong, but okay to use.
I can't stand when people don't say thank you.
Ooh, that's a good one.
And I can't stand cold fries.
Sophia, cold fries are awful.
See? Thank you.
You can also say it drives me crazy, or it's the worst.
Slow walkers on the sidewalk drive me crazy.
Okay, but now we save hate for the big stuff. Hate is a heavy word.
Mondays?
Mondays don't count.
Okay, fine. I hate unfairness.
Now that works. Okay, fun bonus round, guilty pleasures.
Oh no.
Stuff you love that you maybe shouldn't. You say, it's a guilty pleasure, or it's my guilty pleasure.
Daniel,
Yes.
pineapple on pizza is a guilty pleasure of mine.
Oh, we're doing this in public, huh?
I said what I said.
Okay, my turn. Cheesy 90s romantic movies. I'm not sorry.
No, that's sweet. That's not even guilty.
It is when you've seen You've Got Mail 11 times.
Daniel.
We don't talk about it.
Okay, last category, things that just ruin the mood. Deal breakers.
Ooh, heavy.
What's a deal breaker for you?
People who talk on speakerphone in public.
Same.
That's a deal breaker, by the way. Same form as a guilty pleasure.
Mine is dad jokes.
Wait, really?
Bad ones, yes.
Sophia, what if I told you I have a notebook of dad jokes?
I'm leaving.
Stay, I'll behave. Okay, quick recap from most positive to most negative.
I'm obsessed. I love, I like, I'm into.
Then neutral. It's okay. It's fine. I don't mind.
Then it's not my thing. I'm not a fan.
Then I can't stand it. It drives me crazy.
And hate for the really, really big stuff.
Not Mondays.
Not Mondays.
There you go. A whole list of feelings.
Okay, my turn. Tell me a deal breaker right now.
People who finish your story for you.
Oh, that's a good one.
Your turn.
People who chew with their mouth open.
Everyone hates that.
Yeah. Okay, your turn. Tell us in the comments.
What's something you love that everyone else hates?
Or hate that everyone else loves?
We're reading these. All of them.
Pineapple pizza people, I see you.
And like the video if you learn something new. It helps us a lot.
See you next time.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.